Hey, how you doing today? This is new to me. 4 horsepower Evinrude Yachtwin. 4. Okay. One of the things that was wrong with it is, besides missing half of the bolts to the covers and everything, is that the pull stud is a little hunky. So I took that off, put a little blue on it, tightened it up. She looks good. Now this is what the inside looks like. It's relatively easy. Got 2 cylinders, you got a magneto under there, got a little card. Now I bought this from a guy in, oh what the heck was it, Fort River, New Jersey. Said, oh yeah, I rebuilt everything and did this and that. And I rebuild these and restore them. And I was in a hurry, so I just paid the man and left. But does that look like a rebuilt carb? Even just the outside? I mean, we got old fuel hoses, fuel lines. Everything's filthy. I don't see any marks on any of the nuts or bolts, or no rust disturbed. So I'm going to be talking to that guy again. If nothing else, just to ask him what for, you know. But anyway, she runs. I squirted a little juice down her throat the other night and she popped right off. But I got to get the gas tank situated, and next time I show her, we'll have her in a tub and she'll be running. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh, and here by the way is just a look at the Daysailer. We got the 12 over there. I still have the sail up. It's not a very windy day. I don't think she's going to go anywhere. But how she look. Ran out of teak oil on my second coat here. Wonder if you can tell where. But that's the floorboards for the Daysailer. And look at the backyard. We're missing a sunfish. Nice, huh? Alright. This is the beginning on the Evinrude Yachtwin.